Happy raining hump day Wednesday, everybody. So today is Wednesday, a big day for Nikel's Food for the Soul. I will be doing another raffle with tonight's taping. Again, congratulations to the first two raffle winners, Tiffany H and Keisha T. Um, I will be. This is the second raffle. The next and the last one will be next week, so everyone still have time to spread the word and subscribe. I'm getting a lot of views, which I'm grateful and thankful for. So thank you for that. But I see a lot of people. They're watching a lot, but they forget to hit the subscribe button. So make sure, if you're not sure how to do that, just reach out to me and I'll show you guys how, because I had a couple of people tell me they wasn't sure how to subscribe. They're a new YouTuber, almost like me. It's raining, so I hope you guys can hear me clearly. I will be giving out the prizes for last week winners and tonight winners on this coming Friday. So if I don't have your contact information on how to reach out to you, make sure I will either reach out to you or you can reach out to me. My email address is nickelscreativecatering@yahoo, NIKALES creative CREATIVE catering CATRING, or you can just comment on this post and with a thumbs up or a high five or with your name, and I will reach out to you. So this is just a reminder about tonight's raffle that will be taking place during my taping. I will be bringing you guys. I've been getting a lot of requests, and I thank you for the requests and suggestions. Someone asked me how to can I do a quick midweek healthy meal. So tonight, I will be bringing you guys my cream spinach stuffed herb chicken breast, along with Parmesan ranch roasted vegetables. So it's a quick meal, very tasty but healthy. So stay tuned for that tonight, and also be announcing the drawing. So far, I'm gonna call out. I'm just gonna give the abbreviation of the initial of the last name. So if you don't hear your name and you're a new subscriber, please reach out to me because I do not want to leave anyone out. Of course, I already mentioned the two winners from last week, so they have been removed out of this week's drawing, and everybody would be entered back into the final drawing next week. So I have newcomers: Mercedes M, Hope L, Yvette G, Lida's International Kitchen, Omar C, Raya W, Letha H, and Kawana B. If I miss any names, please reach out to me before tonight, before at least 5 o'clock. No, before 4, please, before 4. And let me know, give me your name so I could enter you into the raffle tonight. I look forward to seeing you guys again. You still have time to subscribe. You still have time to share and tell people. I have some really cool gifts coming, and the final prize you don't want to miss. Like I said, the gifts will be given out on this coming Friday. I'm super excited about that. Stay tuned for the taping tonight. An easy, quick, healthy meal that you can make midweek day. If I know you're a working mom or wife or a single parent, some quick meals would be great. And again, is very tasty. So you guys don't want to miss tonight. I'm super excited to bring you guys another recipe from the Chaos Food for the Soul. So many exciting things coming your way. I appreciate the support from everyone. Thank you guys. Love you and enjoy this beautiful but rainy Wednesday. Until later. Bye-bye.